विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
So, what do you think this is? Did I just hear someone say cheating? No, that's not what I meant. It's thinking outside the box. એટલે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો પરંપરાથી ચાલ્યું આવતું હોય તેનાથી કંઈક અલગ વિચારવું. A famous quote by Albert Einstein goes something like this: Creativity is seeing what everyone else is seeing and thinking what no one else has thought. Namaste, I am Soumya, your host for the day. I welcome you all to the morning assembly. Today is 3rd of April, Saturday, and according to the Gujarati calendar, it's Phagan Vad Satam today. We find intimacy with God by communicating with Him through prayers. So, let us join our hands, close our eyes, and thank the Almighty for all the blessings with utmost humility and sincerity.
कष्टभंजन महाबली प्रभु श्री राम के परम भक्त हनुमान जी महाराज, जिनके मुख पे तेज रहता है, जिनके हृदय में हमेशा प्रभु श्री राम की छवि बसी रहती है, जिनके दर्शन मात्र मंगलकारी है, ऐसी ही सुंदर स्तुति मंगल मूर्ति प्रस्तुत करते हैं। जय श्री राम।
that I'm so smart. I just stay with the problems longer. This is Albert Einstein's thought on critical thinking. Namaste everyone. I'm Dhruvik, your co-host for the day. Many articles and books on creativity encourage us to think out of the box and get rid of all the restrictions on our thinking. The trouble with this advice is that it is almost entirely wrong. It is very difficult to be creative when you have no limitations, because it is the limitations that actually encourage creativity. Darsh of 6A will narrate a short story where a young girl finds herself in a fix when she is asked to make a difficult choice. Did she manage to think out of the box? Hear on and find it for yourself.
Namaste. My name is Darsh from 6A. I like to play chess and cricket. I like to watch movies, but I don't like emotional or horror movies. The title of my story or the idea of my story is to think out of the box. In a small Italian town, hundreds of years ago, a small business owner owed a large sum of money to a loan shark. The loan shark was very old and unattractive looking man who wanted to marry the businessman's daughter. He decided to offer the businessman a deal that would completely wipe out the debt he owed him. However, the catch was that he would only wipe out the debt if he could marry the businessman's daughter. Needless to say, this proposal was met with look of disgust. The loan shark said that he will place 2 pebbles in a bag, one white and one black. The daughter then had to reach into the bag and pick out a pebble. If the pebble was black, the debt would be wiped, but the loan shark would then marry her. If the pebble was white, the debt would be wiped, and the daughter would then not have to marry the loan shark. Soon they were standing on a path, strewn with pebbles in the businessman's garden. The loan shark bent over and picked up 2 pebbles. While he was picking up the pebbles, the daughter noticed that he had picked 2 black pebbles and placed them in the bag. The loan shark then asked the daughter to reach into the bag and pick out a pebble. The daughter naturally had 3 choices on what she could have done. Number 1, refuse to pick out a pebble. Number 2, take out both the pebbles from the bag and expose loan shark for his cheating. But then the daughter's father would have to repay the loan. And number 3, pick out a pebble, knowing it was black, and sacrifice herself for her father's freedom. The daughter picked out a pebble, and before looking at it, she accidentally dropped it in the middle of the pebbles. She said to the loan shark, "Oh, how clumsy of me! Never mind. If you look for the one that is left in the bag, you will be able to know which pebble I dropped." The pebble left in the bag was obviously black, and as the loan shark didn't want to get exposed, he had to play along as if the pebble dropped by the daughter was white and clear her father's debt. Thank you.
સર્જનાત્મક રીતે આપણા દાયરામાંથી બહાર વિચારવાની અને વસ્તુઓને સમજવાની એક કળા છે. હકારાત્મકતાનો જ્યારે સર્જનાત્મકતા સાથે ઉમેરો થાય છે ત્યારે જીવનની સુંદરતા કંઈક અલગ જ જોઈ શકાય છે. તે સુંદરતા આપણે આલાપ પાસેથી સાંભળીએ.
નમસ્તે, હું આલાપ વિજડિયા ધોરણ 6 માં અભ્યાસ કરું છું. અત્યારના યુગમાં રૂઢિ પ્રમાણે પરંપરાથી ચાલતું આવતું હોય તેના કરતાં કંઈ અલગ વિચારીએ એ પણ એક નવો વિચાર છે. બહુ ઓછા લોકો આજેનો વિચારે છે. જેમ કે આપણો દેશ ભારત એક ખેતી પ્રધાન દેશ છે. ખેતી કરવા માટે જમીન જોઈએ તેવું ઘણા લોકો નથી માનતા અને કંઈક નવું વિચારીને ખાલી બોટલમાં બી વાવીને દીવાલ પર લટકાવીને છોડ ઉગાડે છે.
આપણે જે મોબાઈલ ફોન વાપરીએ છીએ એ પણ પેલા ખાલી વાતચીત કરી શકતા, જ્યારે તેના બનાવનારને કંઈક નવું વિચારીને તેમાં માનવી એકબીજાને જોઈ શકે છે, તેમની સાથે વાત કરી શકે છે. આવા જ બે ભાઈઓ હતા, ઓલ્વિન એન્ડ વિલ્બર, કે જેઓ નાના હતા ત્યારે તેમના પિતાએ તેમને રમકડાનું હેલિકોપ્ટર આપ્યું. તે જોઈને તેઓએ નવું વિચારીને વિમાન બનાવ્યું. આપણે આપણા શિક્ષકોને જ લઈએ કે જેઓ વિદ્યાર્થીઓના રસ જળવાઈ રહે તે માટે બે પુઠ્ઠાના જ્ઞાનની વચ્ચેના બદલે વૈકલ્પિક પદ્ધતિઓથી અદ્યતન ટેકનોલોજીથી દરેક પાઠને ભણાવે છે. પહેલાના માનવીએ પૈડાની શોધ કરી હતી, પરંતુ આજના માનવીએ તેના પર નવું વિચારીને નવા વાહનો બનાવ્યા. આપણે આપણી શાળાનું જ ઉદાહરણ લઈએ તો પહેલા કોર્ટયાર્ડમાં એસેમ્બલી, સમરફેસ્ટ, વિન્ટરફેસ્ટ જેવા કાર્યક્રમો યોજાતા, પરંતુ કંઈક નવા વિચાર સાથે આપણે તેને ઓનલાઈન માણીએ છીએ. આમ જીવનનો કંઈક અલગ વિચારો, અને જો વિચારો તો આપણે તેને એક દિવસ જરૂર મેળવવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીએ. આભાર.
छोटी सोच और पैर की मौज इंसान को आगे नहीं बढ़ने देती. नजरिए से सोच है और सोच सही तो हर काम सही. साफ सोच में छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा. इसलिए सोच बदले समाज बदलेगा और दुनिया के फलक पर चमकेगा. इन्हीं विचारों के साथ प्रस्तुत है कविता सोच, जिसे प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं तनय.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम तनय अग्रवाल है और मैं कक्षा 6 में पढ़ता हूँ. मेरी कविता का नाम है सोच. सोच सोच के सोच को सोचो, सोच एक बड़ी सोच है. सोचने का सबको अधिकार है, पर सोच के भी कई प्रकार है. कहीं मतलबी सोच है तो कहीं ईर्ष्यालु सोच है, कहीं प्यार भरी सोच है तो कहीं झगड़ालू सोच है. सोच में अपनी इंसानियत लाओ, जिंदगी में अपनी अहमियत बनाओ. जिंदगी की बुनियाद है इंसानियत, रब से की गई फरियाद है इंसानियत. सोच बदलो, विचार बदलो, हौसलों से संसार बदलो. क्यों छोटी होती जा रही है सोच? सोच का आकार बदलो. सोच ही इंसान को छोटा बनाती है, सोच ही इंसान को बड़ा बनाती है. सोच ही इंसान को खुद गर्ज बनाती है, सोच ही इंसान को चिकना घड़ा बनाती है. कम सोचना भी ठीक नहीं, ज्यादा सोचना भी ठीक नहीं. सोचो सिर्फ उतना जितना हो सही. सोच बड़े काम की चीज है जब सकारात्मक हो. सोच बड़े पैगाम की चीज है जब विचारात्मक हो. एक मत, एक जन, एक सोच, एक मन सुखमय कर देगा सबका जीवन. सोच ऐसी हो जिनमें इंसानियत छिपी हो, हर एक इंसान की अहमियत छिपी हो, मासूमियत और एतबार छिपा हो, जिसमें प्यार छिपा हो. सोच ऐसी हो जिसमें विश्वास हो, इंसानों की कद्र और दर्द का एहसास हो. जब सोच की दिशा इंसानियत की राह में जाएगी, तब हर एक जिंदगी जीवन जीने की चाह पाएगी. आंखें नम वाली सोच, हिंसा खत्म वाली सोच देश को सशक्त बनाएगी. मैं नहीं हम वाली सोच तो जब भी करे गहन सोच. जब सबकी सोच हो जाएगी एक समान, तब गुले गुलिस्ता हो जाएगा हिंदुस्तान. सोच सोच के सोच को सोचो, पर गहन सोचो, गहन सोचो. धन्यवाद.
Did you all know that we can regularly engage our minds into solving puzzles? That reminds me, how many of you have ever tried your hand at solving a Rubik's Cube? It has been one of the world's favorite puzzles from 40 years. Several different methods have been devised for solving it. Expert speed cubers can solve it in a matter of seconds. Today, we have with us Maharshi from class 6C will not only solve a Rubik's Cube but also share some tips with us. Let us Maharshi.
Namaste, I'm Maharshi Thakkar from class 6C. I like solving cubes and I'm afraid of insects. Today I'm going to solve these two cubes. One is the square cube and second is the pyramid cube.
Namaste, I'm Parishi Thakkar, studying in grade 9. I'm Maharshi's sister and today I'm going to jumble the cube for Maharshi. As you can see, I've jumbled the cube.
So now I will start solving this cube. So as you can see, I have solved this cube.
Now I'm going to jumble the second cube for Maharshi. As you can see, I've jumbled the cube.
Is solved now.
Well done, Maharshi. Now can you share the minimum time in which you solve a cube and a few tips to solve one?
Thank you, Parishi. I roughly take 1 minute to solve a cube and I will surely share some tips with our audience. First tip, practice, practice and practice. Practice is the only way to improve your skills. Secondly, get a good quality Rubik's Cube, as a hard turning cube will get stuck all the time and will increase your solving. Third tip, remember that centerpieces don't move. So, a face with a blue centerpiece will be fully blue when the cube is solved. I hope my tip works. Thank you.
When you have eliminated the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth. This is what the famous detective Sherlock Holmes, featured in Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's books, thinks. Detectives are portrayed as brilliant, talented minds, and they possess the rare gift to see what ordinary people can't. They are good observers and they connect the dots to reach to the conclusion. In essence, they think outside the box. Let us welcome Arham, who will display his artistic skills by sketching none other than Sherlock Holmes.
Namaste. I am Arham from class 6D, and before I begin, I would like to give a short introduction on Sherlock Holmes. He was a fictitious private detective created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Sherlock Holmes was based on a real man, Dr. Joseph Bell, a renowned forensic scientist. Sherlock Holmes was a consulting detective who was known for his expert observation, logical reasoning, and forensic science during the investigation. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video.
Wave Beats Music.
Friends, I hope you are not thinking that creative thinking skills are just for creative types like artists and musicians. Do remember, everyone can benefit from creative thinking from time to time. It is time to pay tribute to our mother nation. I request everyone to rise for the national anthem. Assembly Saudhan!
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
અસેમ્બલી વિશ્રામ. સર્જનાત્મક વિચારધારા વસ્તુઓને અલગ અલગ રીતે જોવાની અને કોઈ પણ મુશ્કેલીનો ઉપાય કરવાની ક્ષમતા છે. જે કોઈ નવા દૃષ્ટિકોણ સાથેની કલ્પના છે અથવા નવા ઉપાય શોધવા માટે પરવાનગી આપે છે કે અમુક સમસ્યાને સમાધાનની જરૂરિયાત જ નથી. We have with us Vaishnavi today, who will present her point to Socho.
Namaste. There is one thing in common to all very successful people in this world, and that is creativity. Let me begin by telling you about a very successful computer company. पहले के ज़माने में ना कंप्यूटर्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा बल्कि हुआ करते थे और उन्हें इस्तेमाल करने के लिए कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कोड्स को लिखना पड़ता था. अचानक एक इंसान के दिमाग में पता नहीं क्या आया कि उसने सोच लिया कि अब कंप्यूटर्स को हर एक इंसान तक पहुंचाना है और उसी इंसान ने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कोड्स को ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. फिर कुछ सालों बाद मोबाइल फोन्स आ गए और तब मोबाइल फोन्स में छोटे छोटे बटन्स हुआ करते थे. अभी उसी इंसान के दिमाग में पता नहीं क्या केमिकल लोचा हो गया कि उसने सोच लिया कि अब फोन्स में से बटन्स को हटा देना है और स्क्रीन को ही बड़ा कर देना है. यहीं से शुरुआत हुई फर्स्ट मल्टी टच मोबाइल फोन्स की और ये इंसान कोई और नहीं बल्कि एप्पल के एक्स सीईओ स्टीव जॉब्स थे. Today, if we try to make a similar computer or a touchscreen mobile phone, no one is going to value us. Why? Because Steve Jobs innovated and we all were just copying. तो दोस्तों, जिंदगी में ना कॉपी करने का कोई मोल नहीं है. अपने काम को हमेशा क्रिएटिव बनाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. अपनी सोच को क्रिएटिव बनाना चाहिए.
let me narrate a few incidents from the life of Thomas Edison, which will illustrate positive attitude and creative thinking. We all know Thomas Alva Edison, right? The inventor of the light bulb. During the invention of the light bulb, Thomas Edison failed more than 10,000 times. But he kept on trying, and finally, he succeeded. When the news reporter asked him how success felt after failing 10,000 times, he replied, "I didn't fail 10,000 times. I found 10,000 ways that won't work." At the age of 67, Edison lost $23 million in a massive fire in his plant. When asked how he was going to survive that, he said, "I'll start all over again tomorrow." And he stuck to his word. The next day, he immediately started rebuilding without firing any of his employees. Now that's what I call thinking differently. How would you have reacted in a similar situation? There's another interesting story about a Japanese soap manufacturing company. The Japanese are known to be perfectionists. अब एक बार उस फैक्ट्री में बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स की कंप्लेन आने लगी कि उनके घर में बिना सोप के खाली डब्बे डिलीवर हो रहे थे। वहीं के फैक्ट्री मैनेजर ने डिसाइड किया कि वो हजारों डॉलर की स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट एक्सरे मशीन खरीदेगा जो उन खाली डब्बों को डिटेक्ट करेगी। वहीं के एक वर्कर ने जब ये बात सुनी तो वो हंस पड़ा और उसने फैक्ट्री मैनेजर को जाकर बोला कि यही प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन $150 में भी निकल सकता है। He went to the nearby cabin and brought a huge fan. This fan not only detected the empty boxes but blew them away too. See? Thinking outside the box. क्रिएटिव लोगों की यही सोच है कि ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं जिसका कोई सोल्यूशन ना हो। If there is a problem, there has to be a solution. कोरोना कभी आ जाएगा यार, जरा सब्र करो। So, how can you be creative? Can your task be done easily in a creative way? जरा सोचो।
Thank you, Vaishnavi. That was quite insightful. A final thought before we depart. થોડુંક અલગ રીતે વિચારવાથી ઘણા ફાયદાઓ મળે છે. તે આપણી સમસ્યાને હલ કરવાની ક્ષમતાને અને અન્યને અલગ દ્રષ્ટિકોણથી જોવા માટે મદદ કરશે. In an increasingly global world, broader horizons and an ability to think more widely is never going to hurt. Thank you for being a part of today's morning assembly. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and be as creative as you can. Have a great day ahead.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। करता जइए घरना काम, मुख थी लइए राम नु नाम। करता जइए घरना काम, मुख थी लइए राम नु नाम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पति वृंदावन सीता